I'm literally freezing right now, but I should probably get up. Welcome back, guys! New year, new me, new hair. As you can already tell by my title, I'm gonna drag you guys along with me for a uni vlog. Yay! Let's get ready. To be honest, guys, I'm more kind of like a shy person to film in public, especially when I'm alone. So it's gonna be my first time vlogging in the campus. Also, my new semester started, and unlike the previous semesters, it's not gonna be a bit boring and loads of work. I just checked my routine and I got a lot of class today. It's from 10 a.m. to till 4 p.m. I'm done with my skincare, guys. Let's go and get breakfast now. I'm pretty late for the class. I use metro to travel as my college is like 45 minutes far. It's like pretty much walking distance from my home, so I usually walk to the metro station. What class do you have? BSc. And then
We have BSc, we have MS, we have GK. BSc and GK. Bye-bye.
아침을 깨우는 네 목소리 머리를 빗는 네 빗소리 밖엔 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 전생고 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이 아침에 일어나서 부은 눈이 너무 아름다운 너희들로 조금만 더 누워있길 바래 조금만 이제는 어디까지 보다 잤지 여기서부터 다시 보면 되겠지 틀어놓을 테니까 영화를 넌 보면 먹을 맥주 캔과 과자를 사 우린 하루 종일 뒹굴거리면서 다시 뒹굴거리고 또 입을 맞추면서 다시 입을 맞추네 또 다시 입을 안으로 들어가 따뜻한 장판에 몸을 녹여 따뜻하 Baby I love you
Oh my god.
तूने piercing गन वाले से I came to meet my sister. We're gonna eat what? Pani puri. You. Finally ending my day with a dinner at a Japanese restaurant. How is it?